welcome everyone. Hello, good to see you. So that you know, we are live on Facebook now. We are live on Facebook, so people can see your faces. So you might as well just give everyone a little wave. This is our beautiful audience. Good to see you all. Our wonderful group of Sing With Me people and some guests hopefully today. So people are already watching us on Facebook, and I'm only looking at our group here now. But hopefully there'll be oh, look. Lovely to see more and more people joining, some new faces here. So we will be starting on time. Now we're just gathering audience, gathering our drinks in place. L'chaim. People on Facebook will be seeing us with a 20-second delay. So, oh, somebody is giving me some nice compliments even before I started singing. Thanks, Fima and Susanna. I know who you are. Now, no pressure to prove that. So, please keep smiling. You're on camera. Keep smiling. You're on camera. And hello and welcome everyone again. This is part of my Sing With Me sessions. People watching us on Facebook, we will be starting on time. This will be in 3 minutes. And Josh Dolgin will be, oh, he's already here. Josh, hello. You're
Hello.
unmuted, you can say something. Hey.
Check 1, 2. Check. How about that now? Still?
Lovely.
Good.
How are you?
Excellent. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm okay, I'm nervous.
Me too.
Being honest with you, I'm very nervous, and not about our singing. I'm nervous about all that technology. That's all new to us, isn't it?
Right on. I'm nervous about the singing.
Don't be nervous.
Okay.
As we say in Russia, just get a glass of vodka, it'll be fine.
How about a glass of voda?
L'chaim, Josh.
L'chaim. L'chaim, everybody. Wow, look at all these people are here. Grandma's here. Piotr is here.
Let's see. Hello.
Wow. Ilana and Julian and Teresa. Oh, and Diana.
I don't know how many people out of this crowd you know. I think I know most of them, more or less. Some of them have been coming to my singing sessions pretty much every day. Some of them are in my choirs. You know, Hjortur from Klezfest. Hjortur is in Iceland right now. Mirla is in Brazil right now. We have an international crowd of people. Do we have people from other countries? Please let us know in the chat. We have a chat running on the side here. So to tell everyone in the singing group here on Zoom, this chat will be saved and you can save it on your computer as well. Josh and I will read through it. So if you want to say something, you see me every day, but Josh won't. So say something good to him or say something bad to him, I don't care. Say something honest to him in chat and it'll all go to Josh. We see what he says, right? Now let's see what's happening on Facebook. If everything is running smoothly.
Everything is running smoothly.
Oh, I don't know. Let's see. Yes, Facebook is
Hey, Hjortur.
Yeah, Facebook is happening. I can look. Oh, Facebook. Hey. Yes. Stella from Hamburg. Oh, we have tons of people. Wonderful. Yes, give it another couple of minutes. Концерт будет. Игорь, you're asking. Yes, привет. Концерт будет вот сейчас, через минуту. 1 minute and we start. 1 minute. We have Russian speakers here and we have, wow, wonderful. How many languages do we have between us here? Write us something in a foreign language, come on. So, welcome.
Oh, somebody's weaving. Greciana, nice. What are you weaving?
Right, let me see who that is.
Something. Okay, she shrugged her shoulders. Okay, you'll tell us it later. Tell us later.
Right, let me put this on speaker. People are still arriving. Let's give it 1 minute, please. 1 more minute. Still arriving. I should introduce,
the lights are dimming. People, please put away your candy wrappers and turn off your cell phones. Don't turn off your cell phones.
No,
leave your cell phones on.
We won't be hearing people. Hopefully people will be listening to us and they'll be muted. It's very
sure.
Yeah, but you know. Yeah.
Great.
So, it is actually 1 minute past 7 here in London. What time is it there in Canada? Is it
2 p.m.
The day is young.
Yeah, beautiful day. Sunny, beautiful, hot. It's getting hot here in Canada finally.
Oh, it was really hot here in Brighton today. Really hot.
Nice.
It reminded me of these hot Russian summers. Yeah. Okay. Shall we go? What do you think, Josh?
I think you're the boss.
Oh,
Lay it on me.
You're the star. You're the star.
I
Let's
am
do
the
it.
special friend guest.
Yeah. Okay.
Thanks for having me, by the way.
Thanks for agreeing. Okay, let's go.
We're going to start with a little duet where we're going to actually try to, I'm going to sing, Polina's going to play, and I'm going to sing a doina, which, as you probably already know, is a Romanian shepherd song that became very popular in the Jewish repertoire. And this doina is from the repertoire of Arkady Gendler, who I'm sure you've also heard about or knew. And we had the great pleasure and honor of knowing him and getting to work with him and hear him sing and sing with him. So this is a song. It's actually a poem by Itzik Manger. All right, so we're going to try. This is like some high-tech intercontinental doina. Viele Lieder hab ich gekannt und alle haben mich zerrissen. Noch ein Lied ist mir verblieben und sie kann ich nicht vergessen. Noch ein Lied ist mir verblieben, sie kann ich nicht vergessen. Oh, mein lieber Bessarabia, Land von Frieden und Land von Treue. Wenn ich der Mann sich in deine Zeiten mach ich wehn und ich bedeue. Spiel der Polina auf der Pfeife. Wenn ich der Mann, ich in deinen Lonkes, in mein Herz noch seh bänken. Oh, mein liebe Bessarabia, Land von Frieden und ein Land von Treue. Das ist das Lied von Bessarabia, von den Pastech und den Poje. Ta-da-da-dee-dum, 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 ay-ay-ay. Ta-da-da-dee-dum, ta-da-da-dee-dum, ta-da-da-dum. Ta-da-da-dee-dum, ta-da-da-dee-dum, ta-da-da-dum, ay-ay-ay. Ta-da-da-dee-dum, ta-da-da-dee-dum, ta-da-da-dum. Yum, ta-da-da-dee-da-dee, ta-da-da-dee-da-dee, ta-da-dum, ay-ay-ay. Ta-da-da-dee-da-dee, ta-da-da-dee-da-dee, ta-da-da-dum. Ta-da-da-dee-da-dee, ta-da-da-dee-da-dee, ta-da-dum, ay-ay-ay. Ta-da-da-dee-da-dee, ta-da-da-dee-da-dee, ta-da-da-dum. Everybody now, come on.
Bravo.
Oh,
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Josh. Josh, wait, I've lost your sound. So please turn yourself on. So are you doing the next song for us, please? Yeah?
Or are you doing a song?
Oh, do you want? Okay, okay, okay.
Why don't you sing us a song?
Right, okay, I'll do a song. So
Okay.
today I'm Russian. You see, there's this Russian show. So I'm going to sing you a lovely little romance art song from my favorite book. This is my grandfather's book.
Wow.
The condition it's in. The
Beautiful.
condition it's in. It was born the same year as me. Played. My grandfather kept it on his piano, and I basically used to come to to visit them and to play this all the way through. So this will be a nice, lovely art song with a beautiful melody, but not a very beautiful meaning, because it's all about a guy promising golden lands to this lady, and in the end, not really doing what he promised. He said, "Be mine, we will live beautifully together." But no, he didn't love me. He didn't love me, she says. So let's go. Which key is that in? Yeah. Он говорил мне: будь ты моею, и стану жить я страстью сгорая. Прелесть улыбки, нега во взоре мне обещают странности рая. Бедному сердцу так говорил он, бедному сердцу так говорил он, но не любил он, нет, не любил он, нет, не любил он меня. Он обещал мне, бедному сердцу, счастье и грезы, страсти, восторги. Нежно он клялся жизнью сладить мне, вечной любовью, вечным блаженством. Сладкою речью сердце сгубил он, сладкою речью сердце сгубил он, но не любил он, нет, не любил он, ох, не любил он, да, не любил он Yeah, sad story. Like these art songs, lots of them. Josh,
Wow.
over to you.
Amazing. She's a tough act to follow.
My grandfather, he was a KGB officer. It's tough to follow.
Incredible, Polina. Wow, what a musician. Thank you. So I'm going to play something. I just sort of switched my order around based on that song because this might fit. I've become addicted to Kurt Weill lately. And by lately, I mean 5 or 10 years. And I've just been learning a lot of Kurt Weill songs. So in a way, this is kind of more in his world, the song you just heard. And this is from the amazing musical Lost in the Stars. And it's not in Yiddish or Russian, but I hope you forgive me. Before Lord God made the sea and the land, he held all the stars in the palm of his hand, and they ran through his fingers like grains of sand, and one little star fell alone. And the Lord God hunted through the wide night air for the little dark star on the wind down there. And he stated and promised he'd take special care so it wouldn't get lost again. Now a man don't mind if the stars grow dim and the clouds blow over and darken him, as long as the Lord God's watching over them, keeping track how it all goes on. I've been walking through the night and the day till my eyes get weary and my hair turns gray. And sometimes it feels maybe God's gone away, forgetting his promise that we heard him say. And we're lost out here in the stars, little stars, big stars, blowing through the night. And we're lost out here in the stars, little stars, big stars, blowing through the night. And we're lost out here in the stars.
Yeah, I'm sure she will.
Josh, do you want to sing us a Yiddish song straight into?
You muted me. Okay.
Huh?
What I said was, before I was so rudely muted, was this is so weird and crazy to be doing a concert and feeling something and trying to sing it nice, and you're like on a screen, but I see your happy smiling faces. It's beautiful, and it's actually incredibly emotional somehow to perform music in this way. But so thanks for coming from all over the world to hang out in my parents' house. This is actually where this is the piano I learned piano on as a kid. This is there's a bass balalaika that my parents brought back from Russia when they were there in the 60s. My parents are now in the other room over there secretly. You can wave to them, Adele and Mark Dolgin. They're outside in the trees. Look, hey, wave, Mom. Come on, Mom. I see you, Mommy. Okay. So anyway, great. This next song, actually, obviously this whole situation is really terrible for musicians, as you may or may not have noticed. We can't do concerts anymore. We can do concerts like this, but I can't play with a band anymore. And I've been touring lately with a string quartet. I have a project called Die Frosch. If you're curious, a lot of these songs are on there. And this is one of the songs from that repertoire. And it's actually the first time I'll try to sing it just with me on the piano instead of having this amazing string quartet. It'll do, but one day I'd love to have you come and check out me singing this with the amazing arrangements and with other people, and together it'll be nice. It'll be so nice when we're all together somewhere, someday. So this is a song from the great Gebirtig, who I'm sure you hear a lot about in your sing-alongs with Polina and learning about Yiddish song. Gebirtig, who was born actually in May of 1877. He couldn't write music. He didn't know how to write music, so he would whistle melodies to his friends, and they would write it down for him. And in that way, he wrote just countless incredibly classic, touching, important songs in the repertoire. And here's a song about childhood, Kinderjugend. Kinderjugend, süße Kinderjugend, ewig bleibt der Wald in mein Sekunden. Wenn ich trat von einer Zeit, hat mir so bang leid. Und wie schnell bin ich schon alt geworden. Noch steht mir der Schnee vor die Augen. Vroeg ben geboren, nooit zo jong. Ruhig mein Wiegelschäfer steht noch auf demselben Ort. Wie Holm ist das Salz verflogen. Noch schicht ich fegen du Scheine. Noch kusch ich die Leute besser deine. Deine Augen voll mit Schein dringen in mein Herz herein. Ich hab gemeint, du wirst einmal sein meine. Kinderjahren hab ich angewogen. Mein getreuer Mann euch verleugnen. Von der Stube ist noch kein Fleck. Fegele ist euch weg. Oi, wie schnell bin ich schon alt geworden.
Bravo. Bravo. Woo, lovely.
You heard it. You heard it, Josh. Thank you very much. I actually saw a few people singing along with you. Sueli from Brazil, I saw you singing, and a couple more people.
Nice. Hi, Swaley.
Yeah, lovely. Well, I actually planned.
I love this music.
Yeah.
Great.
I was.
Yeah.
Me too. Me too.
Fima Chornik.
Hello from Moldova.
Oh, Moldova.
Yeah.
It's Fima Chornik.
Oh, cool.
Great.
Okay, Polina, back to you.
Right, back to me. Well, I'm keeping us in this quiet, actually, this won't be very quiet, but it'll be slow. A Russian folk song, as folk as it gets. It talks about you see, I sing about women in Russian music, but most folk songs were created by women and sung by women, so this is one of them. It's about a nightingale that is kept in a golden cage, and the cage is beautiful, but the nightingale is made to sing when the nightingale doesn't want to sing, but it has to. So and then the last verse says, have fun and party, young girl, until the time will come and you will get married and your freedom will be taken away from you. I must comment, my marriage is not like that. My marriage is okay. I learned this song from Polina Prudskova, a wonderful folklorist and performer who now lives in London. На колени соловей, на колени соловьюшка, на малине гнезда вьет. Посадили соловья, ой, посадили соловьюшка в золотую клеточку, заставляли соловья гуляй, гуляй, девица, ой, 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 гуляй, гуляй, раскрасавица. Пока волюшка твоя. Thank you. I hope you're not crying.
Beautiful.
Okay, not crying.
Bravo, bravo.
Sentimental.
Thank you, thank you. Josh, over to you. Where are you? I've lost you. Yes.
Okay, just a quickie. In response to your Russian song, this is another Kurt Weill song about Russian composers. Do you know this song, anybody? Everybody know this song? Nod. I want to see some heads nodding. Not really. Shaking. Sophie's shaking, or Sophie's friend is shaking. I don't know what's going on over there. Adele is disappeared. Inga's nodding. Okay, hi Inga. Anyway, whatever. It's all good. So this is a song by Kurt Weill, lyrics by Ira Gershwin, and it is called Tchaikovsky or Russian Composers. This is for all the fans of Russian composers out there in internet land. Without the least excuse or the slightest provocation, may I fondly introduce, for your mental delectation, the names that always give me brain concussion. The names of those composers known as Russian. There's Malashevsky, Rubinstein, Arensky, and Tchaikovsky, Sopelnikov, Dmitriev, Chedapin, Klianovsky, Kodowsky, Archibuchev, Monyusko, Akimenko, Solofiev, Prokofiev, Tiomkin, Koleschenko. There's Glinko, Winkler, Bortniansky, Rebikov, Fitsky. There's Medler, Balachanov, Zolotorov, and Foshinsky. And Sokolov, and Kopolov, and Kelsky, and Klinovsky, and Shostakov, and Tvorin, Liera, Nowakovsky, and Leonov, and Kalkinov, Makievich, Pachenko, and Dogomisky, Shevchev, Skriabin, Vasilenko, Stravinsky, Rimsky, Kosikov, Mussorgsky, and Rachaninoff, and Glazunov, and Caesar Klee, Kalinikov, Rachmaninoff, Stravinsky and Rachaninoff, Rushinsky and Rachmaninoff. I really have to stop. The subject has been dwelt upon enough. Kvoshinsky, Rachaninoff, Rumshinsky, Rachmaninoff. I really have to stop because you all have undergone enough.
Bárbaro.
Quem fica mais resistente?
Wasn't I supposed to do 2 that last time? I forget, boss. I forget the rules. You got muted, though. You can't tell me, so I'm going to do 2. How are we doing for time? Oh, we're perfect. So let me do I don't know what to do next. I just don't know what to do. I sort of want to do this song. It's kind of lowest common denominator, but I want to do it anyway. Just because I like doing it, and you'll get a kick out of it, and I'm Canadian, so I'm allowed to do it because it's Canadian culture. So I'm the only one allowed. Who is anybody else from Canada here? Okay, exactly. So this is it. This is my time to shine, okay? So I'm representing Canada. I'm representing the late, great Leonard Cohen. This is another English song. I'm sorry, I'm not going to sing it in Yiddish. I'm going to sing it in its original English. If you understand English, you'll understand the song. Okay. Okay? Dance me to your beauty with a burning violin. Dance me through the panic till I'm gathered safely in. Lift me like an olive branch, be my homeward dove. Dance me to the end of love. Dance me to the end of love. Oh, let me see your beauty when the witnesses are gone. Let me feel you moving like they did in Babylon. Show me slowly what I only know the limits of, and dance me to the end of love. Oh, dance me to the end of love. Now you can sing along. Oh, beautiful. Clap! Everybody clap! Yeah! Clap me to the end of love. Oh, dance me to the wedding now, and dance me on and on. Dance me very tenderly, dance me very long. We're both of us beneath our love, we're both of us above. Dance me to the end of love. Oh, dance me to the end of love. Oh, dance me to the children who are asking to be born. Dance me through the curtains that our kisses have outworn. Raise a tent of shelter now, though every thread is torn. And dance me to the end of love. And dance me to the end of love. And dance me to your beauty with a burning violin. Dance me through your heart until I'm gathered safely in. Touch me with your naked hand, or touch me with your glove. And dance me to the end of love. And dance me to the end of love. Everybody, Alan zusammen. Dance me to the end of love. Okay.
Kind of paying any attention to us when we arrive. So
Canadian culture.
Hi.
Wasn't much Yiddish.
No.
You heard. Hello. Yeah, those were not Yiddish. Correct. And the next one won't be Yiddish either. It'll be Russian.
The next one will be. Be patient.
Yeah. So, so it's my turn.
Polina,
Huh?
what are you gonna sing now?
I'm gonna sing. Yeah, I don't know. I'll sing my song. Come on, because I can, right? So, you know, on every single CD I've recorded with my projects, I have this song or a tune or whatever, whichever version it is. It's an I tune. So the original is and it's a fast tune, and then I sang it with text. I sang it as a doina. I sang it with one text, another text, as a slow thing. So on one of the CDs, it's a Russian song, and it's a Russian song that is very personal. It's actually about me. It says that another year has gone, and it was December, and then it's spring, and it's May is coming soon. But do we remember how this maple tree that's outside of my house Do you remember how it was covered with snow just a few months ago? Do you remember how a little fox went past it and left these little footsteps? Do I remember flying into Britain and seeing my new country from above for the first time? Don't forget what's gone into the past, and soon it will be May. I also talk about my childhood in Nabережные Челны, in that quite a small Russian town of 750,000 people, where I grew up as a child. I talk about going to the little river Kama that's there, just next, next after Volga is as big, so a tiny river. Вот и год прошел, промчался мир вокруг оси. Возле дома клен зеленый листья относил. Ай да ой, пора бы на покой, но жизнь идет и клен растет, и год придет другой. Ай-яй-яй, живи, не забывай. Прошел июль, прошел декабрь, и скоро будет май. Ай, да-да-дай, дай-дай-дай, Джон ми. Дай-дай-дай-дай-дай-дай-дай-дай-дай-дай. Помнит ли тот клен зеленый, как стоял в снегу, и как лист следы оставил ночью на берегу, как туман покрыл макушку, сказку погрузил, и яркий луч январский тот туман пробил. Ай да ой, пора бы на покой, но жизнь идет, и клен растет, и год придет другой. Яй-яй, живи, не забывай. Прошел июль, прошел декабрь, и скоро будет май. Ай-яй-яй-яй, да-да-дай, да-да-дай-дай, да-да-дай, дай-дай-дай, да-да-дай, да-дай-дай-дай-дай-дай. Я никогда не забуду восход на Каме в 80-м году. Запах травы, где в прятки играли дети, весело в детском саду. И как мой брат возвратился из армии взрослый, и сына взрослеющий взгляд, видно страну мою новую с самолета, мой клен и вчерашний закат. Ай да ой, пора бы на покой, но жизнь идет, и клен растет, и год придет другой. Ай-яй-яй, живи, не забывай. Прошел июль, прошел декабрь, и скоро будет май. Ай-яй-яй-яй, да ой, пора бы на покой, но жизнь идет, и клен растет, и год придет другой. Ай-яй-яй-яй, живи, не забывай. Прошел июль, прошел декабрь, и скоро будет май. Ай-яй-яй-яй, да-да-дай, да-я-да-да-да-дай, я-да-дай, да-я-дай-дай, да-да-дай, дай-дай-дай-дай-дай-дай-дай, ай-яй-яй-дай, да-да-дай, да-дай-дай, да-да-дай, да-дай-дай, да-да-дай, дай-дай-дай-дай-дай-дай. Thank you.
It was a Russian song.
That was a Russian song. It wasn't Russian. It was originally a Yiddish kind of Jewish-like tune, but this is Russian. Josh.
How much time do you think? Enough for 2 more songs, probably, or what do you think? Oh no, you got muted, boss. Here, wait. Let me unmute you. I can't unmute you. There you go.
Say 7 minutes.
Okay, just because I want to sing, you got me thinking about these nigunim, these wordless ay songs, and I really love to sing this song from the repertoire of Noach Nachbush. Does anybody know Noach Nachbush in the chat? I was sort of checking out the chat. There's some interesting things going on in the chat. I learned about Sophie's situation. I learned about some different things going on here that kind of put things into perspective for me. Uh-oh, somebody's coming towards the screen in a menacing fashion. Oh, here's Poopsie. Uh-oh, my Poopsie just came in the room. Hey, Poopsie. So this is going to be a special guest. Sit, Poopsie. Okay, are you ready for a serious show here now? Now we can do some show business. Poopsie, sit. Good girl. Ready? You want to sing, Poops? Sit. Sing, Poopsie. Ladies and gentlemen, Poopsie! We'll see. Oh, I gotta unmute. Can I unmute? There we go. She might sing along with this Niggin if we're not careful, but here we go. Klingen Glocke, klingen Glocken, bim, bam, bom. Singt der Seide, singt der Socken, bim, bam, bom. Sinken Strahlen, fahren, fahren, flim und flam. So die Bobbe, scheine Dobbe, Gott von Avram. A gute Woche, die Welt der ganze Jahr. A gute Woche. Hatte noch am dolle Wein, a bisschen noch. Wo ihr Mama morgen wieder sorgen. In der Krom singt der Seide, singt der Socken. Aber him bam 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 bam. Hier bam 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 bam. Ma hoi hoi. Yada da bim bam bam bam. Bam 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 boy. Yada da bim bam bam. Ya bam bam bam. Yada da da bam. La 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 la. La 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 la. Ay da 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 da. Ya bam 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 bam. Bam bam bam. Bam bam bam. Ya 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 bam bam yo yo. Yam da 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 da. La 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 la. Ay da 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 da. Ya bam 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 bam. Yabba baba ma bum bum bum. Yabba baba ma bum bum. Abba bum ya ya. A gute Woche. A gute Woche. Poopsie, ladies and gentlemen.
No,
Español. Español.
Josh, before you sing your last final big song, can I just say one thing? Because, you know, since I moved to the West, I always say I've learned to do that, to do commercials. You have to sell something. So this won't be actually selling. This is a reminder that today's payments, especially for those who are on Facebook, they're being split. I want to pay my guests, so just put something, you know, on my table too. But please, if you can pay us, please use a Facebook page, or there'll be my PayPal account or our the website, right? And or tell me how you want us to, to pay us. So send us £1,000,000 in a suitcase. And one more thing I need to say is that both Josh and I are involved in something big, and I'm more involved in this. And my wonderful colleague Efim Chorny is actually the boss of this whole big project. We are collaborating on this big Yiddish forum, Yiddish song forum. I'm going to show you that front page of our project. That is bringing together over 30 stars of Yiddish singing and Yiddish song activists from all over the world, being supported by various Yiddish organizations all over the world. So if you are interested, we are launching our first summit, big event on Sunday. Check it out, Yiddish song Step Vorwärts. And that's my little announcement. And now, Josh, over to you to do the grand finale. Thank you.
Oh, it's a grand, now you're, okay. Giving me a lot of pressure here. I'm going to try a song. I haven't done it very much. Again, it was something I did with a big band, so there was a lot going on. I'm going to try to do it myself. It could go horribly wrong. It's always a bad idea to end with something that you don't know very well, but hey, it's a brand new world. Thanks for coming. Thanks, Polina. Thanks, Merlin, who I think is over there in Brighton somewhere, hidden behind the curtain. Thanks everybody for coming. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for feeding me for these past weeks of misery, of global misery. And of course, a great big round of applause for Poopsie, the special special guest, my Shih Tzu, who survived a dog attack just 3 weeks ago, and now she's already singing on the internet to international acclaim. Okay. Here's a song from the repertoire of Moshe Oisher. Y'all love Moshe Oisher. And this is a song, it's sort of actually, it's a bit of a dovetailing from our introduction song about Moldova. And it's a song called Grüne Blätter, Green Leaves. And I think there's a sort of new, there's a new reference that you could understand that with, if you just think about what is a famous green leaf in the world these days. Anybody think of a famous green leaf that maybe became legalized in Canada lately? Okay. Anyway, I don't know how that refers to the song. I don't think that's what Moshe Oisher was singing about, but that's what I think when I sing it now. Of course, I don't touch the stuff. Just say no, okay? But say yes to Grüne Blätter. Okay, here we go. Spielt sie keine mir a Liedl, grüne Blätter auf dein Fiedel. Grüne Blätter, Feuer verde, Frunze verde. Spielt sie keine tief in Teuer, habt der Puris, Blitz von Feuer. Oh, grüne Blätter, Feuer verde, Frunze verde. Was gewesen, was wird sein? Heute ist Blut, heute ist Wein. Grüne Blätter, Feuer verde, Frunze verde. Oi, grüne Blätter, Mädelchen, grüne Blätter, Mädelchen. Ich kann dir so wie eins, ich kann dir so wie eins. Wenn der Stirn wird vergehen, wenn der Stirn wird vergehen, weil man hier mit der Schäden, weil man hier mit der Schäden, Oi, wer ist hot durchs Häuschen Fertig ausgedrückt getragen, der Blick hat mich gemacht, der hat mich gemacht.
Bravo, bravo.
Get it right next time.
That was fantastic. Thank you.
Ela canta demais.
That was fantastic. Thanks,
Thank you,
Josh. Thank you very much. And thank you very much, everyone, for coming today. Lovely evening, wasn't it? Lovely evening. Someone was just trying to get in, but this is a goodbye. Josh, goodbye. See you.
Goodbye,
in
Polina.
life somewhere.
Thank you so much. If anybody is on Instagram, come and join me on Instagram, Socalled Entertainment. And or say hi on Facebook. If you want to talk about any of these songs, you have questions or anything, get in touch with me. I'm really happy to meet people all over the world and we can talk about stuff. I'm sure you're all interested in doing interesting things yourselves. So please say hello. Polina, thank you so much for your hospitality and for this initiative and for keeping people singing and hearing and listening all together all around the world. Bravo!
Thank
Hooray!
you.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
everyone. Bye. Let's go.
Hug to
Thank you.
Poopsie. Poopsie.
Bye, bye, bye.
See.